NFL playoffs are in full swing, and today we're witnessing history in the making. For the first time in postseason history, all playoff games are being played on a single day. And let me tell you, it's going to be intense. So, who's going to make it to the Super Bowl? Will rookie quarterback Jaden Daniels lead Washington to an upset, or will the unstoppable Eagles soar to victory? Let's dive into today's heart pounding matchups. First up, we've got the number one. Two-seed Philadelphia Eagles facing off against the number one. Six-seed Washington Commanders in the NFC Championship. Washington is making a bold run, and rookie sensation Jaden Daniels is out to prove that this team is more than just a wild card. With two playoff wins already under his belt, he's one of only four rookie quarterbacks ever to do that. But no rookie QB has ever won three postseason games. Will Daniels make history today? Or will the Eagles shut down his Super Bowl dreams? Later today, it's a showdown for the ages in the AFC Championship. The number one seed Kansas City Chiefs, led by the legendary Patrick Mahomes, are looking to continue their reign of dominance, aiming for a remarkable 9 consecutive playoff wins. But standing in their way, the Buffalo Bills, led by Josh Allen, who's yet to beat Mahomes in the postseason. Will Josh Allen finally find a way to get past his playoff nemesis, or will Mahomes continue his postseason perfection? And don't forget about Saquon Barkley. After his explosive 205-yard performance against the Los Angeles Rams, he's only 3 yards away from breaking the record for the second most rushing yards in a single season, including the playoffs. Can he top Terrell Davis's legendary record, or will the defense find a way to stop this powerhouse? As we get closer to game time, the stakes couldn't be higher. The Chiefs are looking for their third straight Super Bowl appearance, while the Bills have one goal: to dethrone Kansas City. The NFC Championship will see two teams battling for the right to be called the best in the conference. Will the Commanders pull off an upset, or will the Eagles march on? Today, it's do or die for four of the NFL's most exciting teams. The journey to the Super Bowl is just beginning, and with history on the line, anything can happen. So don't miss a second of the action, and make sure to stay tuned as the NFL playoffs continue to heat up. Who do you think will take it all the way? Drop your predictions in the comments and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more NFL playoff coverage. The road to the Super Bowl starts now.